Good potty. Good girl. Good girl. Do y'all see the little white spot I made on your puppy? That's where I had to cut that sticky stuff out of her hair. Get her roll back. She's still all pretty and shiny. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good girl. This is where we're going. We're going to the gate there. Come on, Cricket. Come on. Come on. This way. This way. Good girl. Can you help me a little bit? Okay. Alright. Alright. Here we go. Here we go. Thank you for the help. Thank you for the help. Come on. Come on. You are a big help, Cricket. Good girl. She's just scooting right along.